In this video, we're going to learn how to rename a file. In this example here, we're going to rename this file within the folder called training. You see there's a G missing off the end. So all we're going to do is rename this to the correct name. This applies to anything from a Word document to an image to an Excel file. This particular example is just a Notepad document. So all you are going to do is right click on your mouse on the file. You're going to find rename at the bottom and left click on your mouse. And here you can see it then highlights the black box around the file name. All you're going to do is press delete key on your keyboard and retype the correct name. You're then going to find any white space within the folder. You're going to left click, and that renames the document.